Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the Matthew Walker knot. The Matthew Walker knot is a classic stopper knot that can be used in rigging as a utility stopper and in paracord crafting, often when finishing a lanyard. There are a few different variations of the Matthew Walker knot, and in this video, I'll be showing the common 2-strand version. Because of its use in paracord crafting, I'm currently using paracord during this demonstration, but I'll switch in a moment to use 2 different colors of thicker rope so you can clearly see how to tie it. This is a simple knot that is comprised basically by interweaving 2 overhand knots together. It's not the only knot that's named after a person, but it might have been the first. It's believed to be named after a mid-18th century master rigger who lived on the River Wear at Sunderland in northeast England. Of course, there are many different paracord knots, and if you'd like to see more, then I'd recommend you check out my video, 10 paracord knots that you should know. Link in the description and also at the end of this video. Now let's have a look at how to tie the Matthew Walker knot. Begin with your 2 ends of rope or cordage. Form a loop with the right cord, placing it behind the left cord. Then take the left cord and loop it behind the right working end, and then across the standing parts. From there, pass it through the front of the right loop, and then through the back of the left loop. Now, with the original right working end, bring it across and through the front of the right loop. You can see here how we basically have 2 overhand knots interweaved with each other. From there, all we need to do is hold the 2 working ends and begin to cinch up the knot. You'll want to slide the 1 strand over so that you get the cross or X pattern in the knot. Sometimes it'll fall into place on its own, and other times it needs a little encouraging. Okay, and there you have it, the Matthew Walker knot. Now, as promised, here's a link to my video, 10 paracord knots that you should know. I hope you check it out, and thanks for watching.